with me is black tea that's already brewed. For the 2 liter, the tea leads to sugar ratio is 1:4. Key thing, hygiene, please. Pour the brewed tea in a glass jar. Add some starter from the previous batch together with the SCOBY and mix. Place the SCOBY gently into the glass jar. Cover the jar with a breathable material and set it in a dark, warm room for 7 to 10 days until it reaches your preferred liking. Ooh, my favorite part, the second fermentation. Now we are going to flavor it up. Remove the SCOBY and place it in a clean plate. The kombucha to evenly distribute the culture before transferring to the bottles. Sieve to remove any SCOBY segments left in the drink. Add your preferred flavors to clean glass jars and then add this kombucha. some extra, guys. Why not give you some of that? So this is a ginger bag soda. So simple. Ginger and sugar in the ratio of 1:1 in a 500 ml bottle. Basically, to achieve the fizziness, I'll add our ratios for 5 days. For flavoring, we'll just sieve the ginger bag, place it in glass jars, add our preferred flavors, and seal. And that's it. 2 to 3 days max. You can now enjoy healthy drinks. Stay healthy, stay happy. Bye.